Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Nintendo 3DS and 2DS accessory kits are probably one of the most essential purchases for any gamer looking to enhance their handheld experience, offering a comprehensive package designed to protect, power, and optimize your beloved console for countless hours of immersive gameplay and adventure. These kits often bundle together crucial items like durable carrying cases, screen protectors, charging cables, and sometimes even styluses or game card holders, ensuring that your device remains in pristine condition while providing the convenience and functionality you need on the go. Number 5. Tomee 3DS Charger for Nintendo Consoles. Keep your Nintendo devices powered up with this essential charger. It's designed for a wide range of consoles, ensuring you never miss a moment of gameplay. This charger is compatible with the new 2DS XL, new 3DS, 3DS XL, 2DS, DSi, and DSi XL. It offers broad support for your gaming collection. With an input of AC 100-245V, it's perfect for travel. You can use it anywhere in the world without needing a voltage converter. Its durable and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. The fold-away plug adds to its portability and convenience. It provides a stable DC 4.6V 900 mAh output. This ensures your console receives the right amount of power for optimal performance. Don't let a dead battery interrupt your fun. This reliable charger keeps your Nintendo devices ready for action whenever you are. What we like. This charger is built for travel and durability. If you frequently take your console on the go or need a reliable backup, this is a great choice. Its worldwide voltage compatibility means you can power up anywhere. What people say. This product charges my 3DS perfectly. Works great. This charge cable worked great with my 3DS XL as well as my 3DS. Both were completely without a charge when I purchased this cable, and within about an hour, I was able to play with the 3DS XL without any issues. I did an overnight charge with both systems, and both came out with a full charge and no issues. It looks exactly like the original adapter and powers up my PS1 without a hitch. An added bonus is that it's multivolt capable, 110-220V. Number 4. Tomee Stylus Pen Set for Nintendo 3DS XL. Experience seamless gameplay and precise touch control with these styluses. They are designed to fit your Nintendo 3DS XL perfectly. Crafted from durable plastic, these styluses are built to withstand endless hours of gaming. Enjoy long-lasting performance for all your adventures. Never be without a stylus again. This pack includes 3 different colors, red, black, and blue, offering both backups and a touch of personal style. These styluses are incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Store them conveniently in your console or take them with you wherever you go. Lost or damaged your original stylus? These are the ideal replacement accessories. Keep your gaming sessions uninterrupted with these essential tools. What we like. Never get caught without a stylus again with this convenient 3-pack. If you're prone to losing your styluses or want options in different colors, this set is perfect for you. It ensures smooth gameplay and accurate touch control. What people say. Fits perfectly into the slot for my Nintendo 3DS XL. You can even feel the locking click of it sitting into place. It's a great reproduction item that looks and feels like an OEM piece. Fits perfectly for the old model of the 3DS XL. The stylus fits into its slot very snugly, and it doesn't slip or fall out no matter how much I shake my 3DS. Each and every one of the stylus work fine on the touch screen. Exactly what I was hoping for. Please note that this is for the Nintendo 3DS XL LL. It will not fit a new 3DS or new 3DS XL. That being said, it fits perfectly into my 3DS XL. Clicks in just like an original. Number 3. FYOUNG Hand Grip for Nintendo 2DS XL with clear case. Introducing the updated hand grip designed specifically for your Nintendo 2DS XL. Enjoy a more comfortable and secure way to play your favorite games. We've refined the design based on user feedback. Now, accessing game cartridges and pressing the power button is easier than ever, without needing to remove the grip. This accessory comes with a clear upper case, providing excellent protection against drops and scratches for your console. It ensures your device stays looking new. Its lightweight and sturdy build makes it perfect for gaming on the go. The flat bottom design allows for easy game changes and button presses, so you can play without interruption. Never lose your stylus again. A convenient storage slot on the back securely holds a replacement stylus, keeping it readily available whenever you need it. Putting on and taking off this grip is a breeze. It fits snugly without leaving marks, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Prop up your device with the built-in kickstand. It's perfect for watching videos or playing games hands-free on a desk. What we like. This grip offers enhanced comfort and functionality for extended play sessions. If you find the 2DS XL uncomfortable to hold for long periods or want a more stable way to play, this is ideal. The built-in kickstand is a bonus for media consumption. What people say. It feels very similar to my Switch Pro controller, but just for my new 2DS XL. Love that design, so that the stylus always stays with the grip. It fits my hands well and makes it comfortable. It allows for access to the game card slot, older models did not, and it comes with a protective top shell and a built-in stylus. Number 2. R4 SDHC Gold Pro 8GB Micro SD Kit. Introducing the R4 SDHC Gold Pro Kit. This 8GB micro SD card is designed to expand the capabilities of your Nintendo console. It fully supports the latest 1.9.0 updated 3DS, 3DS XL, and 2DS systems. It's also compatible with DSi and DS Lite consoles. You can play games, read ebooks, and run homebrew applications. It transforms your device into a versatile media player. This card supports a wide range of multimedia files. Enjoy features like real-time saves and user cheats for an enhanced experience. The kit comes complete with an 8GB micro SD card and a USB adapter. Get ready to explore new possibilities with your console. What we like. Unlock the full potential of your Nintendo handheld with this versatile card. If you're interested in playing a wider range of games, running custom applications, or enjoying multimedia content, this kit is for you. It transforms your console into a powerful entertainment device. What people say. The setup for this card is great, and you can even expand the micro SD card depending on size. I went from the pre-installed 4GB card to a 32GB card. I wiped and formatted to 32 FAT memory and copied everything from the original 4GB card to the new one and loaded my library there, and it was amazing. The pre-installed library is great and the UI pretty straightforward for anyone to test, or if you want to give it to a child with a DSi or 3DS to just plug and play and have fun, but expanding to the GBA, NES, and DCware libraries is a ton of fun. You can even play multiplayer games by simply getting a second device. I used multiple Nintendo DSi and did not have any disconnecting issues on DS games, but opening to other game libraries for multiplayer there might be issues. Also, I did not find any weird files like other reviews stated, so I cannot address that. But the only issues to address that may be a turnoff, as others have stated, is these do not store 3DS games. And the time bomb, which after the time expires will render your cartridge useless, but if you can overlook that and find some 20 to 30 minutes to customize your library preference and fix the time bomb expiration, this is an amazing deal to pay for at the moment. Out of the box, this thing is cool, runs well, but it's a little overwhelming and is definitely missing some great titles. Learn a little bit about the specific folders and data files and you can fine-tune this thing to be the perfect DS companion. Hiding or deleting unwanted games and folders will make navigating your library better experience. Adding Twilight menu on top of the stock R4 kernel firmware will give you a better UI and a secondary firmware option for games that aren't compatible with the stock R4's Weiss menu. You can also from there get box art and fine-tune your experience and game settings easily in Twilight menu. As someone who's only recently explored flashcards, I was quite surprised that this one actually worked as advertised. It feels and fits just like an actual DS cartridge, so the quality's pretty nice. It is a little more snug than a standard cartridge, but it's meant to stay in your DS for long periods of time. Number 1. ButterFox Hard Carrying Case for Nintendo 2DS XL and 3DS XL. Introducing the ButterFox Hard Carrying Case, designed specifically for your Nintendo 2DS XL and 3DS XL systems. It offers robust protection against scratches and impacts, keeping your device safe. Enjoy a more comfortable gaming experience with the included large stylus. It's designed for a better grip, making it easier for both kids and adults to use compared to the standard stylus. The interior features a secure mesh pocket to hold your console firmly in place. This ensures it doesn't move around during travel, preventing any potential damage. Keep all your essentials organized with dedicated storage for a wall charger and other accessories in a separate zipper mesh pocket. Everything you need for gaming on the go fits perfectly. Never leave your favorite games behind. This case includes 24 built-in game cartridge holders, allowing you to carry a vast collection of your most played titles wherever you venture. Crafted from light yet durable materials, this case provides excellent protection without adding unnecessary bulk. Its soft interior lining further safeguards your console and accessories from scratches. What we like. Keep all your essentials organized and protected with this comprehensive carrying case. If you're looking for a complete travel solution that holds your console, games, charger, and accessories, this is the one. The larger stylus is also a great ergonomic upgrade. What people say. This one has nice game pockets, they're tight, but the games go in with ease, and they're spaced out properly. My other case held 8 games, I'm loving that this holds 24, I only have 16 at the moment so there's still room left and I have my entire collection with me on the go. The front zipper pocket is really nice, the other case I had wouldn't even fit the charger in. Well it would, but it wouldn't close. This one I have the charger, the AR cards and I still have a bit of room left. The case itself feels hard and sturdy and has a handle. The turquoise blue on the case matches the DS perfectly and you get a stylus of the same color. The stylus is really nice to compare to the small one from the 2DS. It's nice to have a large stylus on hand at all times. Sturdy clamshell design, the slot for the 2DS XL fits the system perfectly, with room to hold 24 games. You should almost never run out of space for games, and by far the greatest part of this case is the stylus it comes with. It feels more like you're holding a really nice pen rather than a tiny stylus, which is what every 3DS 2DS system gives you. A key feature I wanted was plenty of cartridge storage, and this case doesn't let down. There is also additional storage for the charger and other cords. The case holds the console well and you can tell it's nicely protected. The trim color matches well with the DS. Adding a large stylus is a nice bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.